seeing this?
He looks just like you.
Impossible.
You're a colorful bunch.
Excuse me? Why do you look like me?
I don't look like you. You look like me. Why do you look like me?
Hey, you know what? I'll ask the questions, new hedgehog. Who are you? Why do you look like me?
This is a waste of time. Walk away before you get hurt.
Whoa, whoa, easy, buddy. We don't want to fight you.
Actually, Sonic, I would like to fight.
Not now. Why don't you stop throwing cars at us for a second and come down here to talk?
You jumped out of a gun helicopter. There's nothing to talk about.
All right then. Enough!
Knuckles, no!
Let us talk without fists!
Knuckles, you okay?
No, not really. Ow.
Who is this guy? She's...
Much more impressive than the hedgehog I fought previously.
Dude, I'm standing right here. Now come on! You can't take us all at once. Okay, he took us all at once.
Weakling.